Duckie here with I Am Sure Sports. A 1-1 draw with Portmore United, coming from behind. Sum up the game for us.
Well, it was a tough one. As I said 3-4 days ago, Mobay has never won their opening game. So it was sort of a mind game, some psychological. I thought we did well to travel so far from in the morning to play a 1 o'clock game. We weren't used to the size of the pitch, so I thought we struggled to adjust, to play with the width. We gave up a soft goal in the first half, but I thought we did well to analyze what Portmore was doing. They had good control over the game. They had more possession. Hence, they were creating more attack solutions than us. In the second half, we made some change. We took control of the game. I thought we did exceptionally well to press for the equalizer. We started to attack their flanks. We broke their line. Alanati did a wonderful job today. I'm very impressed with what we did. We saw the resilience that we showed to the end to get back at the score sheet.
Wonderful game, Donavon Duckie. Continue the good work, and I like the improvement in terms of quality from getting players in recruitment.
My respect.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.